Hi.
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 Actually, he told.
He told.
No, I didn't tell. He told. Actually, I agree with him.
Even I do.
I disagree.
Okay, bye.
They all think that you cannot complete Witblox challenge number 7.
Hey, what is Witblox Challenge 7?
Here it is. As you can see, this is an automated curtain opener.
The tricks of this challenge along with the prizes will be released next week. So let's see who can do it. All the best!